Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix screenshots not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Click on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not let us update your software, let us. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option. Click on factory reset, erase all data, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.